day 22 of our experiment. Oh. There. How are you doing? Do you see the shirt? This is from my cousin Cherry. It's very cute. The words are fluffy squirrel, and it's very fluffy. Hi. Ah. Ella's in such a good mood this morning. I was holding her in my lap. And she was smiling. Even when she's ticklish. Christine found that out the other day. She can probably take about 10 minutes of that before she starts crying. So I won't do that for 10 minutes. Oh. We won't show you her bald spot.
Sure we will.
Okay.
It's not that big. Well, it's kind of big.
You want to say hi to your grandparents, Ella? Yep. That's her saying hi. Say bye. Bye. Say bye, Christine.